I cannot be the only person that loves chicken wings and chicken feet. If you love chicken wings, chicken feet, this recipe is for you. Today we are going to be cooking this delicious chicken feet. As you guys can see, I have a lot of chicken feet here, which are already cleaned perfectly well. I'll just go ahead and add all my seasoning. I'm making some garlic paste. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, and if you don't cook with garlic, go ahead and skip that. Adding some chopped onions, some rosemary, some ginger powder, some curry, salt and seasoning cube, and some thyme. And I'm going to go ahead and add some chili flakes as well. Once I add all the spices, I will top it up with a little bit of water. Give everything a quick stir, cover the pot and allow to steam a little bit. I was not able to stir it really nicely. I just cover it and allow to steam a little bit before I come back and give it a good stir. Back to the pot. At this point, I was able to stir it really nicely. Once I stir it very well to my satisfaction, I added a little bit of water more because I want stock, alright? I just cover it and continue to steam. And I steam it for about 10 minutes, nothing more than 10 minutes. While the chicken is steaming, I'll go ahead and prep my pepper. Here I have the green pepper that is turning to red, and some chili pepper and some onion. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my food processor and just process it roughly, not too smooth and not too rough. Back to the pot, the chicken feet are steamed to my liking. I will just go ahead and remove it from the stock and set it aside. Added a little bit of oil into the pot and allow to heat up. Add oil according to your taste, alright? Personally, I don't like too much oil in my food, but feel free to cook your food according to your taste. Once the oil is heated up, I added some chopped onion. I just give it a good stir for about a minute or so just to add more flavor into the oil. I go in with the roughly blended pepper. I give the sauce a quick stir and I'll go ahead and add some of the chicken stock into the sauce as well. This chicken stock add a whole lot of flavor into the sauce. But if you don't like to cook with chicken stock, just skip that, alright? And I go ahead and season the sauce as well. I just make use of curry powder, some thyme, paprika to give it that beautiful color when it is done. And I make use of a little bit of ginger powder as well, salt and seasoning cube. And I go ahead and stir everything together nicely. After I add all the seasoning, I just stir everything together nicely. I am sorry, my phone shut down on me. All I do is I stir it nicely and then I cover the pan and allow the sauce to fry. And here we are, the sauce is frying nicely. I came back to stir on it. I tasted for seasoning, everything was perfect. I cover it again and allow to fry more. At this point, it has fried to my liking. At this stage, I'll go ahead and add the chicken feet. The sauce is not 100% done, but it's about 98% done. Before it is fully done, I just want to go in with the chicken so the chicken feet can absorb flavor from the sauce as well. Once I add all the chicken feet, I just go ahead and stir everything together nicely until they are well combined. And you guys, this tasted so delicious. I believe I'm not the only one who loves chicken feet and chicken wings. You guys, it tasted absolutely amazing. I'm not cooking all the chicken feet. I just boil it so I can put it in a Ziploc bag and throw it in my freezer. Sometimes I add it into my stew. I will not come here and come and pretend because I so much love it. Alright, you guys, once I stir everything together nicely, I just cover the pot and allow everything to steam together for about 3 to 5 minutes. I give it a final good stir and it is ready. You can enjoy this on its own. You can enjoy it with some juice, which I enjoy it with some juice while I watch some Mouthwatering movie. You guys, it tasted absolutely delicious. And and I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.